Okay, so I was born and raised in this city. Kusekhaya la. I have crossed a lot of milestones here. Learned how to ride a bike, published my first article ever. And yes, fell in love for the first time. But my best of all is to write. There's always something about a story that makes us all to connect. We can see it in the eyes of strangers, as in the eyes of those we love.
Is this all?
Yes, sir. This is what I could come up with.
My grandmother can come up with a better story than this rubbish. Told you, your voice, your writing is flat.
But sir,
I'm not publishing this nonsense. I'm giving you 2 weeks. 2 weeks to come up with a new story. Leave. Listen here. I already said we need a new receptionist. Just start setting up the bloody interviews. Final.
sir,
This is a final warning.
Uphephethe ngabantwana. Umngane wami omkhulu.
Nqoma mntana. Tom, I also told the pharmacist I don't want to quit drinking. Can I put them here? Ramsey, I can fix these broken hinges for you.
My man.
Umuntu uzomela ha. Ramsey. Zonatha.
Sasa ikoloko. Tanki mpilo. Nansi storo. Ikoloko, sasa ikoloko, tanki mpilo, nansi storo, asinate nukoloko, sasa ikoloko, tanki mpilo, nansi storo.
Good morning, Mamuka say, sivuke njani. You know, I'm just feeling good. I'm just feeling super good. Oh, grand. You know why? Because I just moved to the city of King. It's a Tuesday. Shandira Murinaika. Let's just do this.
Son, ngutshela imfihlo. Yazokukhala kulomsindo kakhulu. Uzwakala mawuthu. And wena ngikuthandela ukuthi uyangazi. Njalo uyangizwa mangikhuluma nawe. Njalo imfihlo yami
Let's keep going. If you're just tuning in right now, this is your DJ Hamza.
Zvinona kitsa patinotanga tichinzwanana tine kwatakananga
uthando lumnandi ngasekuqaleni bo
asi Ooh, everything just fades away.
uthando lusaqala ucabangi nokuthi luzophelela phi uma ngicabanga ngensuku zethu themba lami akudankale
Diani angazira mangwana Mzvino ndinochemera mukana mumbe Ndaindinewe Diani angazira mangwana Mzvino ndinochemera mukana mumbe Ndaindinewe chemera mukana mumwe ndaindinewe ndiani yangasivera mangwana nazvino ndinochemera mukana mumwe ndaindinewe
Yeah. Looking good, Mtala. Hey, Pum.
She always liked me being smart.
She? Oh, you mean the girl next door? Can't you have met her already, Mtala? I got to Mtala. She waved at me. Well, here's your pension money. And I also left your usual supplies in the kitchen.
Umagwebu ophephethwe ngaphandlwana. Umngane wami omkhulu.
Athina Makhiwe.
Mngani, akufani lokuba ngikhaya.
Ay, phumula baba. Kuyachisa.
Izulu liyabuya le. Kumele ngivale izikhala nje eziningi ngoba ngingayeke ngibani ozakuya. Akungikhwela ingwane yami. Awu, Dawuduna. Isilesa selamabala sayibike enkosini. Ngiyakuthanda magodlozi.
Hawu, yebo baba.
Yes!
Got the speakers on. We'll 10 minutes past the hour. 4 o'clock. That's what the moment of night.
Francis.
The challenge ya no sabe tudo.
Francis, look at that. She's
I
looking
can
at
see.
me. How does it feel, Mtal? Okay. Mtal,
Yeah.
akaphethe emsebenzini.
Kwenze njani?
Umlungu udla amahabula, Mtal. And soon I might not have a job.
Hayi mfanami. Inkinga yakho ukuthi wena you concern yourself ngento zezitha zakho. Yini ungaqala ukuzilole? Yabo? Ulungiselele. Yabona impangele enhle lekhala igijima. You understand?
Kunguwe Mtala, ubungayenza.
There you go again. Mbani udinga ukuxwayiswa lapha? Yimi kumbe nguwe? Inkinga yenu ntsha kulezi insuku is lilezi sombululo ngayo yonke into. Don't worry, son. Ungakhathazeki. You'll be all right, okay? You'll be fine, mas.
Yabo. But hayi boy.
Yeah.
Oh.
What?
Okay, yeah.
Kumbutwan.
Sifike. Uyalidla ikhaya.
Nkulunkulu wami. Ivelelwa yini kanti? Isibongo.
Ngukhumalo baba.
Awu, Dawuduna. Isile saswela amabala sayibike enkosini. Ngiyakuthanda mafundlo wami.
Ngithemba ngeliphambanisa.
Hayi, awungiphambanisanga Khumalo. Ngulu. Mdlanga amandla kaMachobane. Linelala ukudla umlenze kobulawayo. Ngiyabonga.
Hawu, libongani kambe baba?
Nkosazana, no wonder you're such a big heart. Uzalwe esikhosini. Ithi ngizazise. Mina ngingumsizi wakogajeni.
Hayi ngiyathaba ukuba lazi baba. But I have to go. Imbiza zami zingakashi.
Kulungi. Singadla malala.
Francis.
Yeah.
I don't know if my next paycheck is coming. I'm about to be fired at work. And if I lose my job, I have no way to keep coming back here.
Umqombothi-ke. So awusayuba nomagwebu.
Francis, angazi. Follow Francis, but I fear things will not always be like this. I can't keep on being here for you. I can't. What will you do?
Ubuyile.
Oh, I'm Tada.
Angazi whether she's for real kumbe litho. Baba, sengizobuyela ekhaya. Sokuyisikhathi sokuthi ngiyehlangana labo. Fana ngiyacela, cela ungiphelekeze.
Hi, kodwa Mdala. I also fear that my life is moving right past me, trying to take care of you. At some point, I have to look out for me as well. I mean, I'm already 34 years old, still renting a single small room. No wife, no family. I literally do not have a story to live for. And it's the reason I'm about to get fired.
Hayi mfana wami, hayi. Wena uyaphila. Ukuqotshwa kumbe ungaqotshwa. Wena uyaphila njengesihlahla sami lesi. Yonke liyaphila. Uyaphila mfana wami. Nesihlahla siyaphila. Uyaphila. kanjani?
Ngisendleleni. Sir.
Where are you? I need my draft.
Yes, sir. I'm working on it. Some tell you people are buried on this rock.
Thula, kipale kepesi yakho le. Boya benyathi. Obusonga busombuluke. Mpongo kazingelwayo. Nina bakandlovu zidle ekhaya ngokuswela belusi. Mthiyani ngokuthiya amadoda ezibukweni. Uyabona wethu thina sadabuke emadwaleni njalo lanxa siuchiya lo mhlaba sophindele emadwaleni sibe ngamathongo esizwe.
Yili khaleli.
Wonjelele bo awlandaba. Wonjelele bo awlandaba. Wonjelele bo awlandaba. Awinda bikona la. Oh awlandaba. Awinda bikona la. Oh awlandaba.
Ramses, you haven't said anything ever since we got here. Kahle, what really happened to your family?
I don't know. I really don't know. If people that were here don't know, how do I know? All I know is that uzomusulotile kuzinsizi zodwa And my wife was expecting. They all disappeared just like that. Off the face of the earth. Angazi what happened to Fanawam. Do you understand? Angazi.
And belithiza hamba siyovakatshela umngane womqhawe. Sazohamba.
Oh yes, my good old friend. Uqhawe. Ulaphaya.
Cool. Bengicela lingichazele ukuthi kwenzakalani emndenini kaGajeni.
Wavuka kuthile. Akula muntu owakubonayo kanye. Wavuka kuthile asizange sidobhe lesiququ sakho. Kwafana nalokunye esike sakubona khona phathini esasala emhlabeni. Ukusala emhlabeni lo ubona izigigaba ezingapheliyo. Kwayenzakala okuphose kufanele khona khona ukwemuli yakho Gajeni. Kwavuka kugcwele amasotha asingawezwanga lokuthi abizwe ngubani.
Oh, izombangazo amasotsha khulu.
Amasotha. Abantu bethathwa besiyabuthelelwa ndawonye. Abanye lalamhlanje abazange babonakala. Kuze kube lalamhlanje sibazi bangaphi. Into lesiququ saba sisazi. Wena.
Yebo khona.
Wavuka kuthile. Uthile yonke indawo liyana kwakunganyenyezeki kungahambeki. Izolo kulapha kusukuma umlilo kambe kungasukuma umlilo izulu likhiza linjana uthise igushu basala bakhuluma amagazi besithi bona abantu kade bethapha inyosi babeziyekeleleni inyosi lezo isikhathi sonke lesi ngaphandle kwalokho akulamunye umuntu wakwazi ukuthi khona wena kodwa kwasala emkhumbulweni yabantu.
Bana wami. Hayi. Mina sengihamba. Ngizwana ke. Nxa ngingekho lapha ngokhangelana. Anti ukhangela umuzi wonke. Angithi?
Ngilifakele inkobe zamazambane. Linanzelele zingachithekeli phakathi.
Ha, umabodloza. Hawu ngiyabonga dawe elihle. Usebenzile ntombi. Gajeni.
Besicela ukuhamba la nedropini. Sesabathi.
Hawu, sonene. Angithi uyazi nje ukuthi akuyi ukuthatha isikhathi eside lokho. Indlu leya ayikapheli.
Akulandaba lokho. Ngizwe bethi imizi le ngapheshe ayisekho.
Ngamahlemhlemu la. Ngamahlemhlemu lokho. Sonene. Angithi umakhelwane bakhona. Bakhona umakhelwane. Mina ngiyabuya ngemva kwempela. Wena uyazi ukuthi mina ngiyedinga umfana ukuthi azolinda lapha ekhaya.
Abo.
I tried to call, but it was too late.
Ngiyabonga sisi.
Woman. I know Bramsisi had a genuine friend in you, even though it meant you holding back from your life and dreams.
Amagwe. Upepetha ngaphandle. Umagwe. Upepetha ngaphandle. Umngane wami omkhulu. See, I know my boss may be very tough, but I know he wants to see what's best for others. There's a new job opening for a receptionist. Go for it.
Thank you.
You have a BA in English.
Yes, sir.
But you're a maid.
Yes. I was unemployed because my brother needed help.
Speak up, Galai. I can't hear you.
I was unemployed. And my brother needed help at home because his maid left him rather too suddenly.
Okay. Well then. You'll start immediately.
Okay, thank you.
Doubled as a copyright assistant.
Okay.
We'll see how you do.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
She always liked me being smart. Inkinga yenu bantu abatsha ukuthi yilezi sombululo kuyo yonke into.
Umlungudla mahabu. And soon it's not have a job.
I'm giving you 2 weeks. 2 weeks to come up with a better story than this.
Don't worry, son. You'll be all right, okay?
Kumundala, ungayenza.
Yini ungaqala ukuzilole. Yabo, ulungiselele. Yabona, sengizobuyela ekhaya. Sokuyisikhathi sokuthi ngihlangana laba.
Bogatsheni. Yina elisemoyeni. Namkeleni phela.
So Dada, your people are buried on this rock.
Tula. khipha le kepesi yakho le. Ungathini ngekhabothi le?
Ukusala emhlabeni lokhu ubona izigigaba ezingapheli kwavuka kuthile akula muntu owakubonayo kanye kwavuka kuthile asizange sidobhe lesikuku sakho
Windu mntongane nelikhangele lapho khangele phela abantu wena babuyayo babenye
Ngikufakele inkomo zamazambane unanzelele zingachithekeli phakathi.
Awu ngiyabonga Dawu ngiyabonga sithando sami
Besacela ukuhamba la edrobheni. Sesaba thina lapha.
abantu bechatwa besiwa besiyabuthelelwa ndawonye abanye lalamhlanje abazange babo
Ngizwe bethi imizi lena engaphesheya ayisekho.
hayi amakhemkhemu lawo
He was right.
Say, I think I have something to come and show you, say. Please, say, may I please have another chance?
Well, if the story is not on my desk, how good is that to me?
Well, wish me luck.
Mr. Fenwell, are you ready for your meeting with Mr. Harris?
Oh, yeah. I think so. Is he in?
Yes, but wait. Hold it here. You're good to go.
Thank you.
Good luck.
You're looking good, by the way.
Is this you?
Yes, sir. Well, with the help of my tree, of course. What do you think?
Your people have a saying. Not everyone who chased the zebra caught it, but he who caught it chased it. It's your best work. Did you plagiarize?
No, sir.
Sihle, call Cape Town. Hello, Mr. Stevens.
Oh, pardon me, sir. I'm not interested in a book.
I'll have to call you back.
Well, sir, I was thinking we could start a podcast.
A podcast? Have you lost your mind? Do you know how many opportunities you will be missing out on? This could change your career.
Well, I appreciate that, sir, but this is not really about me. Sir, I want to hear and help others tell their stories. Siyalamukela abantu bakithi ari kubatanganedza bathu basho ibizo ngikufanele ndimanje abanye bathi fani abanye fazo abanye mafana abanye mzukulu lawo ungazikhethela. This is the silent podcast kodwa lapha siyakhuluma. Kunjani kodwa siyathunqa kunjani emagwegu kunjani entumbane kunjani eCountry Park. Siyalamukela abantu bakithi kunjani eMakhokoba kunjani eMzeti. What difficulties have you dealt with and what advice can you give to others who might be going through what you went through So, right now we've got Nkosi on the line. Good afternoon, Nkosi.
Mina ngishap man.
Kunjani eCountry Park?
Ngapha tuna big band ingazulu.
I'm very well, thank you, Nkosi. Please go ahead.
Mina bengisekhaya for 20 years. Khona ngiphuma nje inyanga edlulileyo nayo. Ngizame la ukuphanda phanda. Kodwa angazi how do I get people to trust me?
Thank you so much for calling, Nkosi, and we're going to open up the line so that they can come in and answer your call. Simpio, good afternoon. How are you?
Good
I'm very well. Kunjani Chawala?
Actually, in Joburg now.
Ah, nice. Please help out Nkosi here with this issue.
Sure.
Yes.
The problem itself must be admitted. Because that's a good start.
Yeah.
We may not change our past, but it can be redeemed. Because try to be honest in your dealings going forward. Over time, you will see that people will trust you again. I hope this helps.
Thank you so much, Simpiwe. Thank you so much. I hope Nkosi benefited and others also benefited from it. Guys, if you're just joining us,
This is the Silent Podcast by Kuluma Dapa. Please like,
follow, subscribe,
and it is on final
demand in Jalongas Kete. Sebonga cool. Till next time. Bye.
I'm a crying.
Wakatsheni abasemoyeni boya benyathi obusonga busombululo nina bakwandlovu hlala ekhaya ngokuswela beluku ngiyabonga bogatsheni ngiyabonga played it well. Challenge accepted. Nyabo.
Today I believe life is a voyage of stories. We each develop ours as we go along the way. We face our fears. We learn to go. We learn to let go. Whatever it is, we each have the power and freedom to write our own mashaka.
Vamos